Hello and welcome to Thrift Cart. In this video, I would like to review the Daily Summary by Square Feet report. If in your account, you should be able to locate this under Reports in your left-hand menu, and then the Point of Sale Report section. Notice that the report can be ran for one or multiple store locations, and for a single day or over a date range. Now before you run the report, you'll need to enter the square feet of showroom space dedicated to each one of your parent departments. This needs to be done for each one of your store locations as well. So if you have more than one store, there should be separate fields in the report for the parent categories at each of your store locations. So here we see a second store location with similar categories, and again the square feet to fill out for those departments. Notice that you can leave categories with a square feet of 0, such as your cash donations. When done, be sure to select the blue buttons to save updated values. There should be a blue button per store location, so make sure to save all of them. With square feet entered, you're now ready to run the report. In this case, I'm going to run the report for 1 year. After entering the date range, you'll select the green button to generate report. In this report, you see categories listed in the left-hand column, followed by total sales for that category, the total quantity of items sold in that category, the unique items sold, the sales per square feet for that category, the square feet of showroom space assigned to that category, percentage of total sales that category contributed, and the percentage of showroom space that is assigned to that category. Now, what might be the most helpful number in the report is the over or under performance percentage. This percentage, if positive, indicates that a department generated a higher percentage of sales than the total amount of showroom space dedicated to that department, while a negative performance percentage indicates that that department generated a smaller percentage in sales than the total amount of showroom space dedicated to that department. So for example, we see here that building materials contributed only 2.3% of sales, but had 11.8% of the showroom space assigned to that department. This performance percentage should be calculated by taking the percent of total sales, in the case of appliances, 10.4, minus the percent of square feet as percent of store for the department, in the case of appliances, 9.1, then dividing that by the square feet as a percent of store, again, 9.1. Now, if you change the percentage of showroom space dedicated to any department, you'll want to update the fields in the report for the amount of square feet assigned to that department. To note, Thrift Cart does not save historic versions of the report. So before you save any changes to your square feet, I recommend that you run the report and save a copy of it so that you have that historic version to reference if desired. If you have any questions, please let us know.